yung ice cream.
Limit na meron ka, bawal mong wag mong gagastusin lahat para may maganda kang credit score. Yung libreng flight, ganon. Tapos pwede ka pa makautang na malaking pera kapag mataas yung credit score mo.
No. 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 Ano yung dagat?
Oo, parang ilog siya. Yung payapa lang siya. We're here now, guys. We're gonna choose a bike and then we are going to go for the bike ride. I got my bike. Let's go! Let's go for a ride! Hoy, tawag! Nasipo lang nanay ko, guys. Ayun! Okay! Mama, ang saya! Mama, ang saya! Punta sa tabi. Cyrus, can you say hi to me? Cyrus! Cyrus! Cyrus, say hi here! Say hi, Mama! Say hi! Oy! Tignan mo! Wow! Cyrus so good! Cyrus so good! Sobrang lakas ng hangin and ang lakas ng hangin guys! Sila pa sila! Say hi! Wait. Nakaharap ka ito sa akin ha. Wait na.
Oh.
Jump! Jump!
Yan ang Toyota.
Hindi naman sa inyo yan.
Yan ang Toyota, oh. Ayan. Oh, enough, sir. Wait, Cheros. Wait.
Nag-video kasi talaga. Ate, ikaw yan? Nakabidyo ka, ma'am?
Nakabidyo kayo dalawa. Layo-layo para makita. Lane! Patay! Pasaw!
Doon ka sa bike lane.
Maganda pagpapag.
Oh, Marjorie on board!
Para siyang makula.
Wala rin break. Tinan mo, nagkakamot pa ng ulo. Papa, tinan mo. Nagkakamot pa ng ulo si Jore. Kinakamutan pa ng ulo. Hi guys! Sobrang core memory nito guys. Pero ang mama ko, bidang-bida. Hi guys, so I'm here right now. I'm alone, so this is a very closed area. It's not a closed like it's closed like for people, but it's closed because it's abandoned. There was once a war in here, and they just literally abandoned everything. There's a lot of companies and buildings, including this, that they abandoned. That's what makes it amazing. Look at that. This is my bike. This is my sister and my cousin right at the back. Actually, I choose a low bike so that I can easily go hop in and hop out. I've been having so much fun, but at the same time, the time is limited. So that's what makes it fun, really. Mama showed us this is the old UN building, like United Nation building right over there. How cool is that? Let's go. My mom is over there. She's calling us. So sorry for the clips that looks crazy, but like it's not. It's not reasonable for you to tell me because I'm doing it one hand right now. It's not. Oh my gosh, the golden hour. This is the sunset. Bakit naman ang brake mo, mama?
Malakas ang brake nito. At ganito.
Papa, say hi, Papa. Papa, say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
May original.
Yan, may sunset. Look at that. Woohoo!
Come on, ready.
Come on. Good job for using your bike and for learning. See, when I told you to learn?
If you don't learn how to bicycle, you can't ride here. Ano? May benefits pala pag bisikleta.
Yes. And good job for taking Marjorie together with you. Say hi, King Kong Balukong. Antok na. Hi. Hi everyone.
Hello.
We're having so much fun. Hi there everybody. Say hi everybody. Hi Angelina Jolie. Hi Bea El Karingal.
Hi, Bea D. El Karingal. I can't do it.
Oops.
Hello.
Almost fell, you guys. Ang videographer of the month. So we're we're bringing back, guys, the bicycle, which I really enjoyed using. So I actually just put it, I don't know where I'm going to put it. Teşekkür ederim. I had so much fun, you guys. So guys, we are now at the beach with some other more dead buildings, old buildings that they don't use anymore. Those are that. Hi guys, so we're eating right now. Show your food. And they're eating as well. And my papa is there.
You're right there.
This is such a nice restaurant right here. That one.
Macchiato.
Macchiato.
I'll show it to the mask.
Yes, sure. That's what I got.
It's so yummy.
I'm gonna be your number one.